अच्छी scripts मिलना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I think a script which you just hear and say yes before you know it's ending. It's very rare. So I
That
really
happened
hope.
with you with something?
It's been very rare, yeah. I think with Luka Chupi, yes, I sort of did love the script, and I kind of said yes to it immediately, which is why I think I'm also very excited about for it. Even a Bareilly, if I would say, um, I think sometimes when you hear it at that point, the mindset that you are in, you like the script, but you're not sure of certain things. And sometimes it's a very bad idea to do a narration immediately post lunch because everybody's a little sleepy. So your state of mind is not right to say yes or no to a script. But again, there are some films that you hear and it stays with you for days. And that's when you get a feeling that, I am still thinking about it, let me go back. And Bareilly Ki Barfi I actually heard twice. So when I went back and I felt the same thing about the script, I felt the same thing about the character, I felt that this is something that I want to do next. But yeah, as an actor, I think next year I'm really, really hoping. I have a long list of directors who I genuinely really want to work with. So I'm really hoping I get to work with a few of them. I'm hoping I get to do something different as an actor because again, right now is a point where I am sort of craving. And I think it's been only a few films that I've done. So there's so much more that I want to do. So I hope that starts.
There are a few films. One is this micro-budget film that I did. As I said, the whole budget of the film was 16 lakhs. There's, of course, the release of Robo 2. Then that's the opposite budget film, totally, like it's around 500 crore or something.
So you didn't need your scooter?
They didn't give me much, unfortunately. But there is another film called Nirvana Inn, which is in the genre of paranormal thriller, a young Tamil director, which is very, very, very interesting film. So it is in that totally different zone and mostly travel the world. I'm about to. Then I did a film with Gautam Ghosh called One Day in the Rains with lovely actors Neeraj Kavi and I and Tilottama Shom. And about to start day after tomorrow another one with Mr. Prakash Jha. And and there are some Netflix series. If they shoot in Delhi, then I will do it. Then I can be home. No, it's not a condition. I'm saying if they shoot in Delhi, I didn't say that they have to shoot in Delhi.
Hi, my name is Rahul Bunkar. I'm a film student at FTIM.
Hi.
Hello, sir. I'm a screenwriting student. So my question is, a director looks at a script differently. Art director looks at it from his perspective. A cinematographer looks from his perspective what he wants to do with the scene. How do you guys, as actor, for both of you, what do you look in a script as actors?
I think your question is sort of similar to what he had asked, where how do we say yes to a film and what?
When you read a scene,
yeah,
do you try to connect it with your personality?
Are you trying to say how do we approach a script or how do we approach a scene?
Yeah.
Well, as I said, there's no one way of approaching it. I think I sometimes like to draw a backstory of the character. There are things which are not written in the script. So it's always nicer when you have a story in your head because then you feel like you know the person. Where the character is coming from in that particular scene. There are sometimes certain things that the character is saying and there are times when certain things the character is not saying. So trying to understand that, like I sort of like making my notes. I'm I think a BTech student, it comes from there. So I like making my notes. I like seeing that when a character is speaking a particular dialogue, why is he saying what he's saying? Rather she. Yeah, why is she saying what she's saying? And does she mean exactly that, or is she actually feeling something else and she's covering up? A lot of things. Subtext is what we say. So I think that's my vision of it, that's my way of looking at it, but I always am there and I like discussing with my directors because eventually it is a director's vision which you as an actor have to contribute to and collaborate in whatever way you can. So yeah, I usually have a lot of questions when I'm preparing for a film and I go with my list and I'm very interactive and talkative with the director and he becomes my best friend.
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm Vikas Kumar. I'm coming from Delhi, and I want to ask one question from Dil sir. Sir, ये कैसे पता लगे कि एक डायरेक्टर एक एक्टर से क्या चाहता है? एक बीइंग एक्टर कैसे पता लगे उसको कि एक डायरेक्टर उससे क्या चाहता है?
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं मालूम है। अगर मुझे पता होता तो अच्छी बात होती, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अलग अलग किस्म के डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं। उनके जो भाषा है, मतलब हिंदी अंग्रेजी की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जो क्रिएटिव भाषा है उसको समझने के लिए अपने आप को बहुत खुला छोड़ना पड़ता है कि अब क्या बोलूं। जैसे मुझे याद है, मैंने श्री राम जी से मैंने शेयर किया था, एंगली ने मुझे आके बोला अचानक से, बहुत वो पैदल आए, 1 मिनट लगता है पैदल आने में उनका 3D स्क्रीन के पास आके मेरे कान में बोला, Dale, I'd like you to put 10% affection to your sternness. 10% affection to your sternness. 10% प्यार जोड़िए, आप जो इतना गुस्सा कर रहे हैं उसके साथ 10% उसमें प्यार भी जोड़िए। तो मुझे समझ में आ गया था, लेकिन उनको कैसे पता है कि मुझे ये समझ में आएगा? अगर वो कहता कोई इंटेलेक्चुअल इंटरप्रिटेशन जैसे ना, माय योर कैरेक्टर इज यू नो व्हाट इज बिकॉज यू ग्रू अप इन अ सर्टेन सिचुएशन एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, आई वुड हैव बीन मे बी, मुझे शायद ना समझ में आए। तो ये डायरेक्टर्स के ऊपर भी है कि वो कैसे आपसे बात करते हैं, और आपके ऊपर भी है, अगर आप एक्टर हैं तो आपको चौकन्ना रहना चाहिए होगा विदाउट गेटिंग टेंस्ड और स्ट्रेस्ड, कि मतलब एक शब्द अगर आपको पकड़ने के लिए मिल जाए कि ये चाह रहा है, समझ रहे हैं ना, वो तो काफ़ी सारे वोकैबुलरी अलग अलग किस्म के इस्तेमाल करेंगे, लेकिन उसमें से अगर एक आपको पता चल जाए कि अच्छा शायद ये, तो आप उसके बाद 3, 4, 5 तरीके से उनको करके दिखाइए कि ये या ये, अगर उसमें से कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा है तो दोबारा कोशिश करें। बहुत मुश्किल है जी ये।
हमारे यहाँ बोलते हैं ना, 10 पैसा ऊपर कर दो या 10 पैसा नीचे कर दो।
करेक्ट, यस।